FNMA stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the very end. First thing that I'm going to say is that FNMA stock, it's actually one heck of a freaking opportunity, because if I zoom out, it seems like it's consolidating quite a bit, but when I zoom out, you will see where we exactly are. Beautiful bullish market. The only thing that I'm waiting to do though is still buy on this. So let's go 1 hour chart. There you go. It's super solid, man. What the hell? So yeah, I've seen this kind of first break. It hasn't happened even yet, but like, okay, and what? I can still act upon this drive, and only if I see the confirmation, right? If there's like a decent pull down, then yeah, sure. But other than that, it is all pure noise. This is obviously not financial advice. All I will keep doing here is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.